The northern part of the silos in Beirut port in Lebanon collapsed entirely on Tuesday, causing a massive cloud of dust. Caretaker Environment Minister Nasser Yassin urged the residents living near the port to wear masks as the dust spread. Yassin added that his ministry will do a complete environmental evaluation for the port and the area surrounding it before resuming work on the southern part of the silos. The silos were heavily damaged by explosions in August 2020. They had been falling gradually over the past few weeks after a fire smoldered because of the fermenting of 800 tons of grain stored inside. The southern half of the silos remain standing, and the government plans to study how they can be stabilized. Two big explosions rocked the Beirut port on August 4, 2020, killing more than 200 people, wounding over 6,000 others and destroying a big part of the city.